I don't think you guys really want to see this. They were predicting like 1 to 3 inches last night. So I'm thinking about 2 to 3 inches. You guys gotta see this. This is what I wake up this morning. It's like an inch, half an inch out here. It's very, very low accumulation. I don't know if it's even worth shoveling. But I'm going to shovel. Because if I shovel, at least I get a little money out of it. It still keeps the customer happy. Yeah. And meteorologists don't really know what they're talking about, hey? Got old, what is it? 1 to 3 inches and we get less than an inch. I ain't complaining. I mean, that's good for me. That is good for me. I like that. I'm actually kind of tired of the snow already because all this is from all this winter. Well, part of this winter. It was probably right up to here all winter, first start, and then when we got that warm spell, this was all gone, completely gone. And then we got all the big storms again and the high amounts of snow, and then it started piling up again, and it got up to about here, maybe down about here, somewhere around there. And now it's kind of melting again, so it's slowly going back down. But yeah, I'm gonna shovel here. I'm out here. I got my hat, shaved my beard, got a haircut. I'm in shorts. It's all good. Wisconsinite. Subscribe. Ring that bell for notifications. Like the video. Comment. Leave some comments below. I want to do another like hot sauce challenge or something. Maybe put a little bit more on it or try a different one. Leave the comments below if you want me to try a hot sauce challenge or some kind of other challenge. I'm kind of up for it right now. So, yeah. If you guys want to hit that subscribe button, like I said, hit that subscribe button. Like this. Ring that bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys later.